All right, let's see what we're working with. Body's rough, but the frame looks solid. Engine bay's dirty. Let's get it cleaned up. All right, keep it straight. Got it, almost there. Okay, stop, that's perfect. Solid. All right, easy does it. How's it holding? Solid. Pass me that clamp. Here, looks clean. All right, lifting now. Watch the mounts. Copy that. Steady pull. Good. Let's set it down. All right, bring the new one over. Got it. Coming over. Line it up. Easy now. In place. All right, pipes in. Torque this down. Got it. Looks good. Good. Now the clamp. On it. Keep it even on the curves. Got it. Grabbing the tape now. Good. Seal the edges tight. All right, let's get this beauty polished. On it. I'll start with the front. Looks good. Keep it even.